Should I go into AWS after Net Plus and Security Plus? Um, definitely grab my ebook and grab my ebook because I do lay out a path of what you should learn for skills and certifications. But here's the thing: cloud in general is very valuable. Very valuable. I can talk. See, I'm getting tired. Uh, but So it's very valuable, and that's where you want to go if you want to go up quick. If you want to excel very quickly, get to a very high paying job very quickly, that's where I would go. AWS specifically, uh, if you are not working at a company where they're using cloud, so you're not trying to look at what they have, or you're just looking for the most appeal, then yeah, AWS is where you want to go. AWS has the most market share. That's what I tell people. And I would go for security, I would go the architect path. Because in security, you're not going to need to know how to be very granular, like with the administrator path. But you will need to know how the pieces work together and how they fit together and how to keep it secure. So go the architect path and then grab the security specialty too.